Welcome to Skibia Quiz. In this video, I am challenge you to solve this general knowledge questions. Let's go.
What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa? Who wrote 1984? Aldous Huxley? What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City? Which planet is known for its rings? Saturn. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. What is the chemical symbol for gold? O. Who painted The Starry Night? Vincent van Gogh. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. How many states are there in the USA? $50. What is the main ingredient in sushi? Rice. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the capital of Italy? Rome. Who wrote The Catcher in the Rye? J.D. Salinger. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Everest. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Oxygen. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. What is the main language spoken in Argentina? Spanish. Which element has the symbol Na? Sodium. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl. What is the longest river in South America? Amazon. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Pound sterling. Which planet is known as the evening star? Venus. What is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag. What is the largest city by population in the world? Tokyo. What is the main ingredient in traditional hummus? Chickpeas. What is the capital of South Korea? Seoul.